What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a crazy video for you guys today. This could be the end of Uber, Lyft, and all rideshare driving, gig work opportunities, whatever you want to call it. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Buckle. Buckle is the best form of rideshare insurance, hands down. Now, what I love so much about Buckle is I get to combine my regular policy with my rideshare policy. So I don't have to have two policies, one for Uber and Lyft, one for day-to-day driving. I did this for years and lost a lot of money now that I know about a company like Buckle. On top of that, they have crazy good rates and they'll cover you in pretty much any type of incident, which is really not anything close to Uber's insurance, who will wash their hands clean if anything happens. Our viewers can get $20 just for getting a free quote by using the link in the description below. Check it out, guys. Let's jump in. Alrighty, so Uber and the company Nuro just inked a 10-year partnership deal for autonomous food deliveries. Now, we heard rumors about this, but now they've got a 10-year partnership. They're going all in for this. Oh boy. Uber Technologies Inc. and Nuro, a leading autonomous vehicle company, announced a multi-year partnership to use Nuro's autonomous electric vehicles for food deliveries in the United States. Uber Eats consumers will be able to order meals and goods delivered by Nuro's zero-occupant autonomous delivery vehicles, which run on public roads and are built specifically to carry food and other goods. The partnership will kick off this fall with deliveries in Houston, Texas, and Mountain View, California. There's their little beta test areas. And Nuro plans to expand this service to the greater Bay Area. So, delivery drivers in the Bay Area, you're about to lose your jobs, essentially. Nuro and Uber share a vision in which technology can make everyday life just a little bit easier, said Noah Zeich, I don't know, global head of autonomous mobility and delivery at Uber. Nuro's distinctive autonomous vehicles are a great match for the Uber platform, and this partnership will bring a compelling combination of innovation alongside the convenience, affordability, and reliability our customers and merchants have come to expect. Really? Yeah, like reliability, I mean, oh man, there's so much I want to say there. You know, it's just insane because it's, you know, we've said this with so many things. It's like they do these press releases and you get why they do them and why they say them, but it's like, let's talk about the real root of why you're doing all this. You cannot afford to keep having us. You need us so that you survive long enough to get to places like this, but you cannot afford to have us. So this isn't about the customers. This isn't about making it a better service. And I mean, arguably it will probably be a better service. You know, as long as the iRobot cars don't kill anyone like last time. But it's not about the service. It's about that they can't stay in business. They can't afford to stay in business. They lose money every quarter, and they lose more money paying drivers and couriers than anything else. The partnership highlights the rapidly growing potential for last-mile autonomous delivery of meals, groceries, and other goods, and opens up autonomous delivery technology to Uber Eats merchants, restaurants of all sizes. It also serves as an opportunity for Uber and Nuro to join forces to support local businesses and strengthen local commerce. Our partnership with Uber underscores Nuro's track record of partnering with the world's leading brands to make autonomous delivery a seamless experience, said Cosimo Leopold. That's a unique name. Head of partnerships at Nuro. With our unique autonomous delivery vehicles and Uber's phenomenal scale and reach, we can expand food delivery options from your favorite local mom and pop restaurants all the way to nationwide chains. What did I say a while ago? It starts with delivery. There's their beta test. That's why they started making everything more complicated to do Uber Eats. You don't get paid for gas now. Starting with delivery. Phase out the delivery drivers, get rid of them, start cutting costs, and eventually it'll be the drivers too. And what are they doing to phase out drivers? By 2030, you have to have an electric vehicle or you won't be allowed on the platform, literally. So the writing's on the wall again and again and again. They're going electric, they're going autonomous, and eventually the goal will be to get rid of all of us. They're gonna do whatever they can to phase all of us out because we're the big expense, even though we're the backbone that the company was built on. So very interesting. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Buckle in the description below, guys. This is a game changer if you are paying for 2 policies right now, or if you're paying for 1. There's arguably a good chance that you're gonna save a lot of money switching to Buckle. On top of that, 20 bucks if you get a free quote. Check it out, guys. Links in the description below, and stay tuned for more updates.